Hey everybody, it's Miss Teach 1225 here, just giving you an update on my Taylor Beauty Healthy Hair Care Regimen. So I took the test back in March and I was sent a list of products that were tailored specifically for my hair type, the things that I normally do with my hair. So I'm going to show you how easy that quiz was. Stay tuned. Easy, right? So have you taken the Taylor Beauty Hair Care quiz? If not, what are you waiting for, sis? It takes no time and they email you the specific products just for you. So I tried those products that were sent to me and here are a few of the results from using those products. So right after taking the quiz, I created this bomb flat twist out. Let me show you. Bomb, right? I know. So I love this style so much that I recreated this style using my Taylor Beauty products. So it's about a 3-month difference between the last video and this video. Stay tuned. Yep, still bomb. And I know you noticed that growth, right? Yes. My Taylor Beauty Hair Care Regimen, bomb. Bomb. You better go take the quiz. So choosing my top 3 Taylor Beauty products was so difficult because I literally love all of the products. So I'm just gonna highlight a few of the empties that I have. First up is the Perfect Coils Curling Jelly, which is made with a natural blend of honey, Jamaican castor oil, rosemary horsetail, and other fine botanical ingredients. Next up is the Moisture Penetrating Deep Conditioner Treatment, which contains a premium herbal blend of fenugreek powder and bringraj oil. Last but not least is the Moisture Penetrating Leave-In Conditioner Treatment that contains a premium herbal blend of Gatu Kola extract and neem oil to restore moisture and awaken the hair. I hope that you have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed using my Taylor Beauty products. And if you have not taken the quiz yet, sis, go do it. And if you have not tried Taylor Beauty products, you're late. Get into it. Go ahead and try those Taylor Beauty products, and you can also use my discount code BAMissTeach1225 while it still lasts. Thank you for watching.